Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that iTunes Store Apple ID is not working in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that issue? Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to your general section and just go to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and just scroll down and just tap on a transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset, and here you just have to reset your network settings from here. After that, simply just go back, get back, and simply just go to back again, or just go to the main interface of your settings and simply just go to your Apple ID and just log out your Apple ID from that iPhone and again log in your Apple ID in that iPhone. So after just again log in your ID, so make sure that you just do that settings before going to log out your ID. So after log out your ID and again login, simply just go back and just here you have to just restart your iPhone just like that. You just have to just press the power button and power up button, and your iPhone gonna off and again on it. And after that, even if problem gonna not solve, simply just go to your Safari and simply just go to the new tab and just search Apple Spot, and just scroll down. Get again go to the search bar and just search Apple Spot and just go to the interface and just select your device. I have iPhone, I'm gonna select that and just scroll down and just find the option of Spot. So here you just have to just tap on a get Spot, start now, and just select your relevant problem. Just like that, I have iTunes store issues. So if you don't find iTunes store, not issue, just find it. Just find it iTunes store, just tap on that, and here you just have to just continue and simply just call down and you see that they're gonna get the number, and here you just have to just call that support team and tell them that you're facing that problem, so try to resolve my problem. So Apple support team try to resolve a problem in 1 to 2 days. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.